Hello everyone, you're welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to deposit your Pi or transfer your Pi from your Pi wallet into your Pichainmall wallet directly. Okay, so in today's video, that's what I'll be showing you, and then in the next video I'll be showing you a complete guide on how to maneuver and go through this app to understand every features that are in this app. So if you are new in this channel, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop new video, you're gonna be updated. So without further ado, let's get started. My Pi browser, and I'll be going straight to the wallet section. Here you tap on it. Then you put in your seed phrase. You can either decide to use this option or you use this option. So this is the option that I'm using. So you're gonna be transferring direct. Clicking here. And then you click here, this manual add up, you click over it, and then you are going to insert your address right here. Okay, but before you insert your address, ensure you have some amount of Pi tokens in your wallet. All right, so before you insert your address, so your Pi should be here. All right, after having some Pi here, you can now click here and go back to the wallet, the Pichainmall wallet. Go and copy the address right there back into this app. All right, back into this Pi app. So let's go and copy the address. All right, so I've gone back to my Pichainmall wallet. I want to go and copy my address so that I can now go back to the Pi wallet and paste the address right there. Okay, so here is my wallet. I'll click over here. I'll click on where you have this wallet over there. I'll click on it. Then if you look up here, you have the PCM token. This PCM token here is, if you click on this PCM token, it will take you to where your PCM tokens are gonna be. So this section here is based on where your PCMs are gonna be when it is finally listed. Okay, but we are not gonna be using this section. We are only trading with this section and this section. Okay, so if you click here, you can see that if you click here, here is where you can see all your Pi balances. All the Pi balances that you've transferred into this your wallet are gonna be appearing right here. Okay, but here is where we are gonna be concentrating on. Okay, we'll click on there and then we'll click on deposit. All right, we click on deposit. If you want to make withdrawals from this wallet to another exchange or to send to any other person or any other wallet externally, you use this withdrawal section. Okay, use this withdrawal section. But if you don't want to send to anybody, you just want to deposit Pi into this Pichainmall wallet directly, we are going to be making use of this option. Okay, so we'll click on that option, then we click on deposit, then we'll copy this address here. You can decide to copy through this barcode, or we are going to be copying this, but I want to be copying this. Okay, so you can click on here to copy it, or you come over here and click on the address. Any of them is okay, so you click on it. All right, then you head back to your Pi browser. Okay, now you head back down to your Pi wallet and paste the address that we copied from the PCM wallet or Pichainmall wallet right here. Okay, so I'll just paste that address right here. All right, after pasting it, don't worry about this option. Okay, don't worry about this option. You can decide to write anything here, anybody's name here. Okay, you can decide to write anybody's name here, but I'm not going to write anything here. That's why you're having optional here. It is left for you. All right, but I'm going to leave it empty, and then I click on this send over here. So immediately I click on this send over here, since there's no token here, there's no money here in the wallet, is not gonna go. All right, because it's showing 0. All right, it's not gonna go. But if there was money, then it is gonna, if you click on that send button, you confirm the transaction and the money will be sent automatically to your PCM wallet. All right, so that is how you send the token directly to your PCM wallet. Follow these steps and you will successfully deposit your money seamlessly in both wallet, both your PCM wallet and your Pi wallet. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification button so that you don't miss out on our next videos when we post them. And if you have any questions, drop them at the comment section. See you in the next video.